Traditionally, we define functions in JavaScript by using the function keyword. But in ECMAScript 2015 version of JavaScript, we now have arrow functions. Arrow functions introduce a concise syntax for defining a function. And this compact syntax is a useful feature to have in JavaScript because we create functions and pass functions as parameters quite frequently. Here we are creating a function and assigning it to a variable called greeting. Our greeting function is going to be a traditional function, and then we are going to update it as an arrow function. So the function we take in name and greet. It will then return the greeting. I also want to call this function here, and I will pass John and hello. So this is where the arrow function comes in. It provides us with some syntactic sugar so we can shorten this quite a bit. The first thing that we will do here is we will remove the function keyword. Then we need to add our arrow function, so we will do that right here. The arrow function gets its name from two character symbols used in the function expression, equal and greater than. It looks like an arrow pointing to the right. On the left-hand side of the arrow is the function parameters for the function. In this case, we have two parameters and they have to be surrounded by parentheses. Then on the right-hand side of the arrow is the function body. This is the code that we want to execute when the function is invoked. I'm then going to remove curly braces. Is only possible when we have only one statement in function body. I'm also going to move this console log message here. We don't need curly braces or a function keyword, even a return statement. And if I update the function to get one argument, I can even remove these parentheses here. Now, if I had 0 or more than 1 arguments, I would need to maintain these parentheses. But as it is now one argument, we can remove those parentheses. So look how much shorter this is.